Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Whiteboard Online. So, we are back with another video. Before moving ahead in the video, don't forget to subscribe to Whiteboard Online and do hit the like button. Okay. So, today I want to tell you about our offer that we are going to present, that is on the occasion of Republic Day. So, we will upload 26 videos on the occasion of 26th January 2023. We upload videos regarding preparation of net JRF, okay, which is for science and arts, sorry, commerce and arts, and paper 1 is for both the subjects, sorry, all the subjects, and paper 2 is only for commerce. Okay, so the offer is that if you all help me to uh, you know achieve the target of 1000 subscribers, we will upload 26 videos which will be helpful for the aspirants of net JRF 2023. Okay, so it will be beneficial to all of you. Okay, so offer is of 26 videos of paper 1 and paper 2 both. Also, a very happy Republic Day. Okay, so this is our target, 1000 subscribers. So the deal is very simple. You have to share the channel among your friends who are the aspirants of net JRF, or also if they are not the aspirants of net JRF, we also upload videos of commerce. Okay, so yes, now I would like to give a short speech on the occasion of Republic Day. So this is the year the whole country celebrates 74th Republic Day on 26 January 2023. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi was the chief guest on the Republic Day of 2023. The Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi, handed over the formal invitation to him on 16th October 2022 by the External Affairs Minister of India, Jaishankar. S. Jaishankar and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh met President El Sisi during their visit to Egypt. India is going to host the G20 summit in 2023 with Egypt as the guest country. Apart from this, countries like Netherlands, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates, Mauritius, Oman, Singapore, Spain, Nigeria will also participate as guests. Let's do something together. Let us be the pride of our country. There is also a real republic when everyone together becomes the life of the country. Happy Republic Day. In the meeting held on 9 December 1947, it was decided that soon the country's own constitution should be implemented. The responsibility of writing the constitution in India was entrusted to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar made the Constitution of India written in golden letters after continuous hard work of 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days with tireless efforts. This constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950 in the interest of the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the first president of India in place of Lord Mountbatten, Governor General, on 26 January 1950, Republic Day. In India, the day is remembered with great pride and celebrated as a national festival with great enthusiasm. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, sorry. On this day in the year 1950, the constitution of our country came into force. That's why from that day, this day is celebrated with great enthusiasm in India. A comprehensive picture of this is that we are all Indians. Republic Day is celebrated as a united whole by all Indians. India, which is a democratic country, its history is full of stories of many great leaders and revolutionaries. A country whose foundation of the constitution was laid by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar drafted our constitution taking various amendments, acts, and articles from different countries. Our constitution is not just a document but it is a framework according to which the government has to work. Our constitution also provides a set of fundamental rights to all the citizens, which gives us certain privileges. The constitution also has a set of fundamental duties, and it is the responsibility of every citizen to fulfill these duties. People have made the supreme sacrifice to protect the nation and its unity. Republic Day reminds us of the valor and sacrifice of these great personalities. We all salute these heroes for their selfless service and patriotism. It should be the responsibility of every citizen to follow the path shown by these legends. We must protect democracy, secularism, justice, equality, and freedom at all cost. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So, now talking about the offer, uh, it is for the NTA UGC NET 2023, Paper 1 and Paper 2. Paper 2 is for commerce. Okay. So that's all for today. So if you like the video, just hit the like button, share it among your friends, and comment below if you want to, you know, if you have any doubt or want to convey any message. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Whiteboard Online and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.